Office of the Attorney General needs to be investigated because it seems there is corruption scandal going on in that particular office. And we would like also to investigate why he signed the 500 million paid to one of the lawyers representing the Lao community. He refused to sign for other lawyers that represented other sub-regions. We need to investigate that. The Office of the Attorney General currently, they work on a kickback manner, where there is money, where he has been promised some money, he signed very fast, he cleared that file. Those who are trying to work truly for the vulnerable community, it doesn't act on their document. So we shall take this very seriously. As the lawyer said, the way forward, one, legally, we shall engage our legal mind, write to the President of the Law Society to make sure the issue is followed legally, and two, politically, after 14 days, we shall mobilize our people, all the districts in Acholi. We shall have two places for gathering. One will be in Kitgum municipality, and another place will be in Gulu city. All those ones who applied for the animals, all those ones whose names are there on that day that we are going to appoint, make sure you gather in Kitgum and you gather in Gulu. As we saw our displeasure against the government being aided by the Attorney General, who does not like the Acholi people purposely. So this is very serious, and it's a very serious matter.